Screw the side beam to the column. Check the drawing to confirm the positions of the 4 columns. Connect the remaining 2 side beams with screws. The diagonal distances on both sides must be equal. The motor and the blade are connected and fixed. Install and fix the hidden motor. Tighten the screws. Install the blades one by one. The blind's light strip port and the light strip serial line port are connected. The gutter beam is inserted into the wire group that needs to be installed. Install waterproof cover. Install the remaining blades. The transmission rod is installed on the outside of the blade. Tighten the screws. Connect the power box. Install the 4-column cover. Turn on and test whether the motor, blade light strip, and gutter light are normal.